Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. In today's video, we are diving into how you can build a clean professional website for your professional advisory services, e-commerce stores and more. Without writing a single line of code, we will be using Readdy.ai, an AI-powered tool that transforms simple text prompt into a fully responsive website complete with modern layout, service section and contact form and more. Whether you are a certified financial planner, investment advisor, and tax consultant, Readdy.ai makes it incredibly easy to create a site that builds trust and attract new clients. I will walk you through the entire process from writing to prompt to exporting the code. So link is available in the video description. So time to put on your silly belts. Let's get started. Once you click on the description link and sign up on Readdy.ai, you will be taken to your main dashboard. From here, start by entering your project name and selecting your preferred format like HTML, UNI and more. Next, you will see the search bar on the home page. But before typing your prompt, make sure to choose whether you are designing for desktop or mobile. In this case, I will select the desktop version. Now I will describe the project. For example, I want to create a professional website for financial advisor. I will enter the prompt and then click the enter button. Readdy.ai will begin generating full layout complete with a navigation menu, hero section, content form, service tabs and modern styling. Once it's done, hit the generate button and you will see your entire website structure ready on the screen. It looks clean, professional and fully structured with a content section, services and get in touch form all in one place. Now comes the best part. You can fully customize everything. Let me show you how. If I want to change an image, I first click the selector tool, choose the image and then hit the image button. From here, I can replace the image, I can remove its background or generate a brand new background using AI. For example, if you want to remove background, simply hit the remove background button and within second it will remove the background. If you want, you can apply it. But I want to generate a new background, so I will choose a generate a background button and I will write the text here, for example blurry dark theme, and hit the generate background button. In just seconds it's create a beautiful new background which I can now apply to my image. But wait, there is more. You can also edit text. Just select the text using the selector. Type your new text, for example James Harry, and then hit the save button. And here you can see within seconds our changes are instantly visible. Want to see different versions of your design? Just go to the version tab where you can view multiple versions like 1, 2, 3, 4 and more. Readdy.ai even lets you turn a static image into a video. Simply select the image, click the video button and you can very easily turn your image into a hero section attractive video. Hit the generate video button and you will see it start the processing. Within seconds it will generate the new video. And you can see it comes to life as an animated hero section. Don't like to look. You can tweak the theme for instant, search dark theme and regenerate. The new video will be applied instantly. Everything is fully customizable, even the content form. Simply click on it and add or edit link. Adjust the field and hit the save button. You have full control. Now let's talk about if you want to create a multi-page website, so how you can do it. No problem, just click on new page button. Type in your next prompt like about page or service page and Readdy.ai will generate a fresh layout for the page too. For example, I enter the prompt here and within second Readdy.ai will build the complete layout. It includes the stylish card, relevant icon and even a clean light theme design. The results looks professional and visually appealing. Now let's do something amazing. I want to enhance the Our Process section. I want to add a slide pop-up effect with shadow transform. So I will simply enter the prompt here. On hover, the Our Process should have a slide pop-up and shadow transform. Hit the generate button. It will start the processing and within second you can see the results. And that's it. Our process section now has a smooth slide effect with the shadow, making the page feel dynamic and engaging. Next, let's explore the code tab. Here you will find the complete HTML, CSS and another coding generated for your project. You can preview, copy or even download it for further development. Once you are ready to publish the site, click on the publish button. You can add a custom domain and hit the next button. Your site will be live just like that. It's fast, simple and efficient. Now let's talk about Readdy.ai pricing plan. Its starter plan just $20 per month include 5,000 credits, 10 projects, custom domain support, Figma export and more. Its pro plan is only $40 per month. It's offer 11,000 credits, unlimited projects and advanced features like lead collection up to 10,000 lead month. It includes everything in the starter plan and more AI usage limits. It's incredibly affordable for what it's offer, perfect for freelancer, developers and small agencies. So that's how simple and powerful it is to create and customize website using Readdy.ai. Whether it's a landing page, service section or full multiple page website, it's all possible with just prompt. Link is available in the video description. I hope you will found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment for future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.